I have some breaking news coming in. Breaking news coming in, Priyanka. The NCB has made a very big claim inside the courtroom. Very, very big claim. It's an explosive claim made by the NCB, the Narcotics Control Bureau, in the court. On record, ASG Anil Singh for the NCB arguing that there is a WhatsApp chat of Aryan talking to a foreign national referring to hard drugs in a bulk quantity. The ASG Anil Singh in courtroom reported as saying that we have approached the MEA to find out how they can reach the foreign national. Now, if this is the case, it's for the first time that such a detail is coming out. The NCB is telling the court that they have approached the MEA to reach out to the foreign national who they claim one of the accused. They say there is a WhatsApp chat of Aryan talking to a foreign national referring to hard drugs in bulk quantity, and that they have approached the MEA to reach out to the foreign national. The story is getting very interesting from the courtroom. That's for the first time the NCB making such an explosive claim on record. Do we know who this foreign national is, Priyanka?
Well, the NCB is still building their case against the foreign national, is what we've been given to understand, because two of them, as we were talking about this earlier, Niranjan, two of the accused of the 20 accused in custody of the NCB are Nigerian nationals, and there might be some link of that as well that might come out. But as of now, the NCB not choosing to disclose too much of the details, because as we understand, Niranjan, there are too many sensitive details to this investigation that they cannot make public. But even now, as they are making their legal arguments, they are stating that the conspiracy is bigger, it's larger, that there is an international angle attached to it, and that there is a clear link of Aryan Khan to this international angle, international transaction, and now an incriminating WhatsApp chat being mentioned inside of the courtroom by ASG, by the NCB, claiming that there was a direct contact between Aryan Khan and this said foreign national who Aryan Khan had been talking to for procuring hard drugs in bulk quantity. Now, this becomes extremely serious for Aryan Khan as well, because earlier as well we had, as I was mentioning, the bail plea reply that was filed by the NCB. They had stated crucial pieces of evidences that they had unearthed, which will lead them to charge Aryan Khan and Arbaz Merchant with Section 29 of the NDPS Act. To understand this, Section 29 is being levied for conspiracy, a larger conspiracy that Aryan Khan and Arbaz Merchant might have been involved with, and what really links them and what really evidence that the NCB has to link them to this foreign conspiracy, international conspiracy, is being mentioned by the ASG Anil Singh himself, claiming that there is a WhatsApp chat, a clear conversation, a direct link of Aryan Khan and this foreign national who might have been at the epicenter of this entire drug cartel. And we deduce this, Niranjan, because the NCB officials earlier had said that the two foreign nationals, Nigerian nationals in fact, who had been taken into custody were key players in this entire ring, and that they were very, very important to unearth the entire conspiracy. And the interrogation of both these Nigerian nationals had also carried out by the NCB, after which, basis of which, in fact, these statements are also now being made in front of the court, claiming a direct link between Aryan Khan. Now, it's also important to understand why this is being mentioned right now, is that because the legal counsel of Aryan Khan had tried to disassociate Aryan Khan from the entire conspiracy, had stated that there was no recovery made from his person or from his luggage, and that is why he should not be charged with such serious crimes, such serious sections of the NDPS. But now the ASG claiming a direct link between Aryan Khan and this foreign national is a very, very serious statement, and also something that is going to harm the legal arguments for Aryan Khan to get his bail today itself, Niranjan.